Welcome back to Cyber AI Pros, your trusted source for all things cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Today, we're tackling a critical issue that affects millions of people: identity theft. Specifically, we'll show you how to lock your social security number to protect yourself from identity thieves. It's easier than you might think, and taking this step can save you from a world of trouble. So let's dive right in. First things first, why should you lock your social security number? Your social security number is like the master key to your personal and financial information. If it falls into the wrong hands, someone could open credit accounts, take out loans, or even commit crimes in your name. Scary, right? But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's how you can lock down your social security number and keep those cybercriminals at bay. Step 1. Place a credit freeze with the major credit bureaus. A credit freeze restricts access to your credit reports, making it nearly impossible for identity thieves to open new accounts under your name. Contact each credit bureau. 1. Equifax. Visit their website or call 1-800-349-9960. 2. Experian. Visit their website or call 1-888-397-3742. 3. TransUnion. Visit their website or call 1-888-909-8872. You'll need to provide some personal information, like your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Don't worry, this is standard procedure. Step 2. Get an IRS Identity Protection PIN, IP PIN. An IP PIN is a 6-digit number that prevents someone else from filing a tax return using your social security number. 1. Visit the IRS website and use the Get an IP PIN tool. 2. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and obtain your PIN. Remember, you'll need a new IP PIN each year, so mark your calendar. Step 3. Set up a My Social Security account and block electronic access. This prevents anyone, including you, from making changes to your social security information online or over the phone. 1. Go to the Social Security Administration's website and create an account. 2. Once set up, request to block electronic access by calling 1-800-772-1213 or visiting your local SSA office. Step 4. Monitor your credit reports regularly. Even with a freeze, it's wise to keep an eye on your credit reports. 1. Visit annualcreditreport.com to get a free copy of your credit report from each bureau once a year. 2. Look for any suspicious activity or accounts you don't recognize. Step 5. Place a fraud alert. A fraud alert adds an extra layer of security by prompting creditors to verify your identity before issuing new credit. 1. Contact any one of the 3 major credit bureaus to place the alert. They'll notify the others. 2. Fraud alerts are free and last for 1 year but can be renewed. Bonus tips. 1. Be cautious with your social security number. Only provide it when absolutely necessary. 2. Secure your documents. Keep physical documents containing your social security number in a safe place. 3. Shred sensitive information. Don't just toss documents with personal info into the trash. Shred them. Stay vigilant against scams. 1. Be wary of unsolicited calls or emails asking for personal information. 2. Remember, legitimate organizations won't ask for your social security number over the phone or via email. Protect your online accounts. 1. Use strong, unique passwords and change them regularly. 2. Enable 2-factor authentication whenever possible. And there you have it. By taking these steps, you're significantly reducing your risk of becoming a victim of identity theft. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. They might need this information too. Don't forget to subscribe to Cyber AI Pros for more tips on staying safe in our digital world. Stay curious, stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.